This is Emhape Tech with new video. Wireless mice have a certain unsavory reputation among PC gamers. Though many will tell you that the latency associated with wireless accessories make wired ones better, that doesn't usually come into play unless you happen to be so good at the game you're playing that adding 10 or 20 nanoseconds to your reaction time is the difference between winning and losing. No, for most of us, the reason to stay away from wireless accessories is one of convenience. It's decidedly not fun to have a mouse or a keyboard die on you when you're in the middle of a game, so it's just easier to opt for wired peripherals. Logitech thinks it has an answer to that problem with its new Powerplay series of gaming accessories. The hope is that it can sell you on the idea of wireless mice by making sure that you never need to worry about charging them in the first place. It's taken 4 years for Logitech to get the technology behind Powerplay right, and it's safe to say that the company's efforts weren't wasted. In all, Logitech sent me 3 products to review: 2 mice, the G703 and the G903, and the Powerplay mousepad, which is compatible with both. Before I dive into the review of these devices, let me quickly explain how they work. The G703 and G903 are both wireless mice that function mostly as you would expect a wireless mouse to. They both ship with rechargeable batteries and detachable micro USB cables you can plug in whenever you're running low on juice. Pretty straightforward so far, right? The difference between the Powerplay series and other wireless mice actually has nothing to do with the mice at all, but rather the mousepad. That mousepad acts as a wireless charger for both the G703 and the G903, keeping them topped up as you use them. As long as you're using the mousepad, you'll never need to plug the mouse in, solving the biggest issue with using wireless mice for gaming. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.